Garden Landscaping Ideas 2026. 10 modern moves that cost almost nothing. There is a garden designer I follow online. Charges £15,000 for a full garden redesign. Minimum. Has a waiting list of 8 months. Posts stunning transformation photographs that get tens of thousands of saves every single time. I spent an afternoon studying every single project on her portfolio. And then I did something she probably wishes I had not done. I costed every move she made. Not the plants, not the paving, not the structures. The moves, the decisions. The things she did with space, light, geometry, and material that made ordinary gardens look extraordinary. And what I found completely changed how I think about garden design. Because the moves, the actual design intelligence behind every transformation, cost almost nothing. The plants cost money. The paving costs money. The structures cost money. But the thinking, the repositioning, the editing, the decisions about what to remove, what to add, and where to put it? Almost nothing. Today I am giving you 10 of those moves. 10 modern landscaping decisions for 2026 that cost almost nothing to execute, but deliver results that look like they cost thousands. Welcome to No Fail Garden, where uniqueness, genuine charm, and completely modern ideas are the only standard we work to. Subscribe right now, because this video might be the most valuable free garden education you ever watch. Before we start, what is the single landscaping decision you have been putting off because you thought it would cost too much? Drop it in the comments right now. Because I suspect at least one of these 10 moves solves that exact problem for almost nothing. The almost nothing principle. 10 seconds. One truth. The most expensive thing in garden design is not materials. It is clarity. Knowing exactly what to do, where to do it, and why it works. That is what designers charge £15,000 for. Today you get that clarity for free. Move #1. Paint your fence or wall one dark color. Cost, 1 tin of exterior paint. Approximately 15 to 35 pounds. This is the single highest impact to cost landscaping move available to any garden in 2026. And it is the first thing every professional garden designer does when they walk into a space that feels unresolved. Dark color. Deep charcoal, slate black, forest green or navy. On every fence panel and wall in the garden, simultaneously does 4 extraordinary things. It makes the garden feel larger because the boundary visually recedes. It makes every plant in front of it pop with color and contrast. It creates a unified backdrop that makes the entire space read as designed rather than assembled. And it makes every other element, furniture, pots, lighting, look more intentional against it. The transformation is so dramatic and so immediate that most people cannot believe it cost under £40. The critical rule: paint everything the same color, not some panels dark and some light. Every boundary surface, one color. The unity is the luxury. What color would you paint yours? Drop it below. This generates the best comment discussion every time I ask it. Move #2. Edit ruthlessly before you add anything. Cost, nothing. £0. The most common reason gardens look unresolved in 2026 is not that they need more. It is that they have too much. Too many different plant species competing for attention. Too many pot sizes and materials mixed together. Too many colors fighting each other across the space. Too many objects, ornaments, tools, furniture, pots, creating visual noise that exhausts the eye before it can settle anywhere. Professional garden designers spend the first hour of every project removing things, not designing things, removing them. Walk into your garden this weekend with one question. If I removed this, would the space look better or worse? Apply that question to every single object. Be ruthless. Anything that does not earn its place with a clear yes comes out. The space that remains after honest editing always looks more expensive than the space before it. Always. Without a single pound spent. Move #3. Define your edges. Cost: approximately £20 to £60 for a full garden. We did an entire video on luxury garden edging, and the reason that video resonated so deeply is because edge definition is the single most underused landscaping tool available. A clean, sharp, defined edge between lawn and bed, between gravel and planting, between paving and soil, creates a level of precision that makes everything in the garden read as intentional. The tool, a sharp half-moon edging iron, and a long straight board or garden hose for curves. One afternoon, every edge in the garden redefined. After that, a 2-pound bag of black sand pressed into the cut edge to define the line visually and prevent immediate regrowth blurring it. The result looks like a professional landscaping team spent a day on your garden. The actual cost: under £30 and one Saturday morning. Move #4. Introduce one bold specimen plant. Cost: approximately £20 to £80 for a single specimen. Every garden that reads as professionally designed has one thing that every garden that looks amateur is missing. A hero. One plant so architecturally bold, so visually commanding, so clearly the centerpiece of the space that every other element in the garden orients around it. A multi-stem silver birch, a sculptural olive tree, a cloud-pruned box specimen, a dramatic phormium in near black, a Japanese maple in a deep container. One plant, positioned deliberately, given space to breathe and be seen. The design rule: the hero plant should be visible from your primary viewing point inside the house. You should be able to see it through your main window or door. That connection between inside and outside is one of the most powerful spatial moves in garden design. Cost: a quality specimen plant, approximately £20 to £80, depending on species and maturity. The single best value landscaping investment available. What would your hero plant be? Tell me in the comments. I want to see what people are drawn to. Move #5. Layer your lighting. Cost: approximately £30 to £100 for a complete garden lighting layer. Most garden lighting schemes make one mistake. They try to light everything equally. Overhead floodlighting that kills atmosphere and makes the garden look like a car park after dark. Layered lighting is the professional approach. 3 distinct layers working together. Ground level, recessed spike lights or solar path lights at low level, creating a base layer of warm pools on the ground surface. Mid-level, up lights at plant base level, casting warm light upward through foliage and creating dramatic shadow play on the fence or wall behind. High level, string lights or festoon lights overhead, creating a warm canopy of ambient light above the entire space. Each layer does a different job. Together they create a garden that feels warm, intimate, and expensive, after dark, without a single element costing more than £30. Solar technology in 2026 is extraordinary. High-quality solar spike lights charge in 4 hours of diffused daylight and run for 12 hours after dark. No wiring, no electrician, no running costs. Just warm light exactly where you want it. Do you currently have garden lighting? Tell me honestly in the comments, because most people have either nothing or the wrong thing. Move #6. Repeat one material throughout. Cost: 0 additional cost if you plan before you buy. Repetition is one of the most powerful tools in design, and it costs absolutely nothing to apply. Choose one material, one pot material, one edging material, one mulch material, and use it consistently throughout the entire garden. Terracotta pots repeated in 3 different sizes, across multiple locations. Corten steel edging, used on every bed boundary. Dark bark mulch covering every exposed soil surface uniformly. The repetition creates cohesion. The space starts to look like it was designed by one mind with one vision, rather than assembled over time from multiple trips to different garden centers. The rule: 3 is the minimum. 1 of anything reads as random. 2 reads as coincidence. 3 reads as a deliberate design decision. What material would you choose to repeat throughout your garden? Drop it below. Move #7. Raise 1 bed. Cost: approximately £40 to £120 for materials. A flat garden is a one-dimensional garden. The fastest way to introduce the spatial complexity that makes professional garden designs feel so much richer than amateur ones is to raise one element above the surrounding ground plane. One raised bed, even 200 millimeters above the surrounding surface, introduces shadow, depth, and physical dimension to a flat space. The shadow line at the base of the raised bed edge is one of the most beautiful incidental details in garden design. Build it from reclaimed sleepers for a warm, natural look. Rendered blockwork for a contemporary finish. Corten steel sheet for maximum modern luxury. Fill it with dark, rich compost and plant it with architectural specimens that benefit from the improved drainage a raised position provides. Cost: reclaimed sleepers, approximately £8 to £15 each. A single raised bed under £80. Move hot 8. Add dark mulch to every bed. Cost: approximately £20 to £50 for a complete garden. Bare soil is the single most visually damaging element in any garden. It looks unfinished. It looks unmaintained. It makes even the best plants look like they are sitting in a neglected space. Dark bark mulch, applied at a consistent 75 mm depth across every exposed soil surface in the garden simultaneously, transforms the visual quality of the entire space in one afternoon. The dark tone makes every plant color pop. It suppresses weeds, reducing maintenance. It retains soil moisture, reducing irrigation needs. And it creates the consistent dark ground plane that professional garden designers use to make planting schemes look intentional rather than accidental. The consistency is the key. Every bed, same mulch, same depth. The uniformity signals design intention. Cost: a bulk bag of dark bark mulch, approximately £30 to £50 delivered. Enough to cover most average gardens at the correct depth. One of the highest impact-to-cost ratios on this entire list. Move #9. Frame your view. Cost: approximately £0 to £80 depending on approach. Every great garden has a view. Not a view of a landscape beyond the boundary. A view within the garden itself. A focal point that draws the eye and gives it somewhere satisfying to land. The professional move: frame that focal point deliberately. 2 matching plants either side of the view, creating a natural gateway. An arch, or simple timber frame structure around it. 2 matching pots flanking the path that leads toward it. Anything that draws the eye and says, "Look here, this is what this garden is about." The framing does not have to be expensive. 2 matching dark timber stakes with a simple horizontal bar between them, at 1.8 meters height, creates a frame that costs under £20 and reads as intentional design. What is the view you would frame in your garden? Tell me in the comments. Move #10. Declutter your pot collection and group deliberately. Cost: nothing. £0. In fact, it might save you money. Most gardens accumulate pots the way most kitchens accumulate gadgets. One at a time. Different shapes, different materials, different sizes, different colors, scattered across every available surface. The professional move: remove every pot from its current position. Edit ruthlessly. Keep only the ones that share a common material or color family. Discard or donate the rest. Then regroup the ones that remain into deliberate clusters. a group of 3 at the entrance, a group of 5 at the focal point, a single statement pot at the corner of the patio. Odd numbers, varying heights within each group, consistent material throughout. The transformation of regrouping a scattered pot collection into deliberate clusters is one of the most startling landscaping moves on this list. Same pots, same garden, completely different result. Quick roundup. Paint your fence one dark color. The 35 pounds move that makes everything look twice as expensive. Edit ruthlessly, before adding anything. The zero-cost move that professionals do first. Define your edges. One Saturday morning and under 30 pounds. Introduce one bold specimen plant, the hero every garden is missing. Layer your lighting. 3 levels, 3 jobs. One extraordinary after-dark result. Repeat one material throughout. The zero-cost move that creates instant cohesion. Raise one bed. 200 millimeters of elevation that changes the entire spatial quality. Add dark mulch to every bed. The 40 pounds move that transforms a garden in one afternoon. Frame your view. Give the eye somewhere deliberate to land. Declutter and regroup your pots. Same pots, completely different garden. 10 moves. Almost nothing spent. Professional results. Closing. That garden designer, with the 8-month waiting list and the 15,000 pound minimum fee? I sent her a message after I finished costing her moves. I told her what I had found. That the design intelligence behind her transformations cost almost nothing to execute. That the moves were available to anyone. She replied with one sentence. She said, "You are right. And that is exactly why I charge for the thinking and not the doing." That is the most honest thing anyone in the design world has ever said to me. The thinking is free today, right here, in this video. Go back to your comment from the beginning. The landscaping decision you have been putting off because you thought it would cost too much. Which of these 10 moves solves that problem? Tell me below. I read every single one. If this changed how you think about what your garden is capable of, hit that like button. Subscribe to No Fail Garden. Every week we bring you the modern ideas, the unique approaches, and the charming design thinking that make extraordinary gardens possible at real budgets. Your garden does not need a 15,000 pounds designer. It needs 10 good moves. Go make them.